student, let's continue our exercise 4.3. Today we are going to do question number 8. Question number 8 is, in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Okay. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius, or we say that Celsius to Fahrenheit. This is the linear equation. F is equal to 9 upon 5 into C, that means Celsius, F for Fahrenheit, plus 32. Draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for the y-axis. So for draw the graph, we are taking some solution of the given linear equation and also taking the same value. So our question numbers second, third and fourth also will be solved. So if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So now take the value of 30 degrees Celsius and convert into the Fahrenheit. Okay. Here, so temperature has given 30 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit I am putting the value of the given linear equation of the formula, convert to the Fahrenheit value in the Celsius and Celsius temperature into the Fahrenheit. Okay, now 9 upon 5 the value of 30 degrees Celsius in replacement of C. So after solving it, we will get the value 86 degree of Fahrenheit. Okay. So the next one is, if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So the temperature has given 95 degree of Fahrenheit. So value of, in this formula, the same as the value of F, that means Fahrenheit, I am putting here 95, that given in our question. Now after solving that 95, then this value is to the transpose here in the right hand side, in the left hand side, sorry. So we will get it 63, and I think you all know that which type of value will be transposed to one side to another side. Then divide value, multiply, and multiply value in divide, and after solving we will get the value is 35 degree Celsius. Okay, that means when the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then Celsius value is 35 degree. Is it? Now the question number 3 is, if the temperature is 95 degrees, okay, it's done. Now let's come to the question number 4. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? And if the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So now I am taking here, if the temperature has given 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so put the value of Celsius is 0. So the Fahrenheit Celsius value is 32. So for the 0 degree Celsius, the Fahrenheit value is 32. And for the Fahrenheit value is 0, that means here, after solving it, then plus 32 come into the minus 32. Okay, and after solving it, 17.7777, so we are writing, I am writing here minus 17.8 for the 0 degree Fahrenheit. So whenever the temperature is 0 degree Fahrenheit, so Celsius value is minus 17.8 here. Okay, so this is also, we will write the some solution of the given linear equation, so that is easy to draw the graph. Now let's see the question number 5. Is there a temperature is a numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. Okay, so yes, the temperature which is numerically the same for the both Fahrenheit and Celsius, that is the value is minus 40 degrees Celsius. Now I am showing you as a solution of that one and given the value of minus 40 degree. So I am taking here minus 40 degrees Celsius value. Then after solving it, we will get the same value of the Fahrenheit. That means in the temperature minus 40 degree, the both value Fahrenheit and Celsius are same. Now we need to draw the graph of the given equation, linear equation. Okay, so we have already got the some solution for the given equation. Now we draw the graph for the same. These are the solution of the given linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now we locate on the Cartesian plane and draw the graph. Okay, in the Fahrenheit 86 degree, we will get the Celsius as 30. So 86 is something here and 30. So 30 and 86. So 30, because the Celsius value in the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So 30 and 86. Now 95 of the Fahrenheit is very above and 35. 35 I am here and 95 is upside of that one. That means 35 and 95. For the value of the 0 is the Fahrenheit, that means y-axis is the 0 and the x-axis is minus 17.8. So 0, that here as given I am writing here the Fahrenheit first and Celsius last. When the x-axis is here and y-axis is here. Okay, so need not to be confused. I am writing here another one, minus 17.8, because the Celsius I am taking here on the x-axis and y. Okay, so minus 17.8, sorry, minus 17.8 and 0 here. Then 0 is the Celsius and in Fahrenheit 32. So 0 and 32 is value is here. So 0 and 32. Okay, now minus 40 both are same. Now we join this point to show the graph of convert the value Fahrenheit to Celsius. We will get the same value. Okay, now it is completed. So you also complete the exercise 4.3.